Like addition, subtraction is very simple. The keys are avoiding mistakes and borrowing when necessary. Let's look at some examples. First, we have 1494 minus 583. Now, if you notice, I lined these up on the right-hand side where the decimal point would be. And that aligns the ones, tens, hundreds places. So we'll just subtract down. 3 from 4 is 1. 8 from 9 is also 1. 5 from 4, to do 5 from 4, we're going to have to borrow. So we'll take a 1 from this place, and this becomes a 0, and then we'll change this 4 into a 14. Now we can subtract 5 from 14, and we get 9. And that's our answer. In the second example, we have 2732 and 1761. Once again, these are lined up on their decimal points, so we can just subtract vertically. 1 from 2 is 1. Here, 3 is smaller than 6, so we have to borrow. This 7 becomes a 6, and this 3 becomes a 13. 6 from 13 is 7. Now, because we borrowed from this 7, we have a 6 now, so it's smaller than the 7, and we have to borrow again. So we'll borrow 1 from this 2, and it becomes a 1, and this 6 becomes a 16. So now we'll take 7 from 16, which is 9, and 1 from 1 is 0. So that's our solution. In the final example, we have 2481 and 629. Once again, lining up the decimal points, and we'll subtract vertically. 1 is smaller than 9, so we'll borrow from the 8. Change the 8 to a 7, and the 1 to an 11. 9 from 11 is 2. 2 from the 7 now is 5. And the 4 is smaller than the 6, so we'll borrow once again. The 2 becomes a 1. The 4 becomes a 14. 6 from 14 is 8. And we have a 0 here, so 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0 is 1.